Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm answering one of your lot's question between the shark duo head and the shark normal head. Which is better? We'll find out. And if it's your first time here, welcome, and you should consider subscribing because I do different reviews. Let's get on with it. So I'm going to test the shark duo first. I've put down some rolled oats, some rice and some cereal. Pretty good job, because as you might have seen on TV, shark make a lot of claim. They go, can your vacuum do this? So it's pretty much picked everything up in one pass apart from two little cereals, but apart from that it's done a good job. Let's move on to the normal head. Shark duo head has done better because of the roller in front. Now this one hasn't done as well. As you can see, is left the cereal in a straight line and it's left some rolled oats and some rice. So there you go, I've done the test. So which head is better? The shark duo head. I'm a big fan of shark anyway. I think they do some really good vacuums. Thank you very much for watching. If you've got any more questions to ask, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.